how do we get over the fear of cold calling? That's right. How do we get over the fear of cold calling? I'll give you a secret. Every day that I pick up the phone, I still get a little in my stomach. It's normal, all right? But the thing is, the longer you're doing it, it dissipates and it dissipates and it dissipates. Because what I tell people, I'm like, I guarantee that if you knew exactly what to say, how to say it, and what context to say it in, guess what? You would have no fear of picking up the phone and making those phone calls. But I will tell you, in time, like I'll never forget the first time I picked up the phone. I'm like, hello, I hung up the phone, all right? Because I was that nervous, because I didn't know what to say. But in time, when you practice, because everybody should be practicing every day, 5 days a week, you will slowly but surely learn what to say, how to say it, and what context to say it in. And after 3 days, it's going to get better. After a week, it's going to get better. After 30 days, 60 days, and it's going to get better, I can promise you. Because what we have to think about this here, okay? It's not so much about doing the activity. It's the result of the activity that we get. Because I guarantee when you do the activity, the results will follow. So think about this for a second. Let's say that you do the minimal, all right? Let's say you call every single day, an hour a day, and you speak to 20 people a week. That's it, only 20 people a week. And out of 20 conversations, you should get one appointment, all right? So we're going to say 20 conversations a week, one appointment a week, comes out to be 4 appointments a month. Let's say out of those 4 appointments, 50% of those cancel on you. That leaves you with 2 appointments a month. Everybody's still with me. You guys still with me here, okay? Now, out of those 2, let's say your conversion rate is 50%. And that means you take 1 listing a month for 12 months. How much is it? Say it with me. That's right. 1 times 12 equals 12. Let's say out of those 12, you sell 10 properties. That's 10 sales. Are you with me still? Everybody with me? Hope you're with me here. Simple math. And let's say your average commission is $10,000. 10 times $10,000 equals $100,000. That's right, $100,000 for calling 1 hour a day, 5 days a week. So we got to remember here, it's when you do the activity, I guarantee the results will follow. But it's getting past that initial feeling of feeling uncomfortable or feeling just not as good as you'd like to because you don't know what to say. So as I'm saying here, we got to start somewhere. Number 1, we need to practice on a regular basis. This is all for another video too about practice. All right, we practice on a daily basis. Then we hit the lead gen button and we turn it on. And in time, you will learn what to say. And I guarantee you will be making more than 20 contacts a week, which should elicit more than 1 sale a month, which should probably make you, I don't know, 100, 2, 3, 4, forget it. Let's say $10 million, all right, from lead generating 4 listings, expires and for sale by owners.